So the rule of thumb to start planting our gardens and really working on our yards is to wait until Mother's Day, when a freeze hopefully is no longer a threat.
Well, now property owners have another option to traditional lawns, and this one's a lot more water friendly.
A bill signed into law today limits the restrictions that HOAs are allowed to enforce when it comes to landscaping, and Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter explains the changes.
This is a lilac right behind us, really fragrant, really beautiful, low water use.
Paige McFarland is the water conservation specialist for the Centennial Water and Sanitation District. It also serves Highlands Ranch. She helps the community use water wisely.
50% of the water we supply to Highlands Ranch and Solstice goes down on the landscape, so we care a lot about that.
A way to cut back on water usage is replacing a traditional lawn with artificial turf.
People are becoming aware of the water savings and the fuel savings, fossil fuel savings, not having to mow, not having to aerate, not having to trim.
Or you could try xeriscaping, or so-called Coloradoscaping.
There's a lot of benefits to Coloradoscape. We support our local pollinators, we increase the biodiversity in our urban environments, we reduce so many things, we reduce heat island effect.
But it's not always a favorite with homeowners associations.
We've had quite a few people that reached out to us, and there are certain municipalities that would not allow it if it was visible from the street.
Currently, HOAs are not allowed to prohibit the use of xeriscaping or artificial turf. They could, however, enforce design or aesthetic rules, which end up limiting an owner's options. But with the governor's signature,
it's official. Congratulations.
A new law gives property owners more choices.
And what this bill does, it simply says that an HOA can't force a homeowner to have landscaping that needs watering.
Now, HOAs cannot prohibit artificial turf in the backyard or vegetable gardens around the home. They cannot require hardscaping for more than 20% of the landscaping area, and they must allow at least 80% of the landscaping to be drought-tolerant plants.
Coloradoscape can be an investment up front, and it can be a lot of work, but you're going to be getting down your landscape to watering 1 day per week and 10 to 15 inches of water per season. It's huge.
In Highlands Ranch, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
And you should know this new law does not apply to homes like condos or any single-family units that share a wall.
Governor Polis also signed a bill into law today limiting pesticides, specifically neonicotinoids. Now, those toxins are 50 times more harmful to our pollinators than other types of pesticides. Colorado now the 9th state to limit those chemicals.